العراقيين الذين كانوا يؤيدون صدام حسين هل هم الدواعش وفلول الحزب البعث؟ يمكن تقصد هذا، فأنت محق. أما الشعب العراقي شفناه في 2003 فور سقوط صدام كيف خرج ضده، وخاصة أن صدام يعني لا يقل جرائم عن القذافي، وأنت أتوقع أبخص في هذا الأمر. الكيماوي في الأكراد، حربه مع إيران، حربه على الكويت يعني بلدي في 1990. فأحب أسألك عن هالمقابلتين وعن أسبابها، وهل لا زلت عند الرأي نفسه؟
I didn't say thanks to Saddam Hussein. I said thanks to the people of Iraq for their courage, their strength and their indefatigability. And I did not know then, in 1994, that the Iraqis would have to find so much courage, so much strength, so much indefatigability in the 20 years or more that have elapsed. Secondly, I did not say that Iraqis didn't hate Saddam. I said many Iraqis hated Saddam, and many Iraqis did not. And if you want my honest opinion, there will be fewer who would hate him today than hated him 11 years ago. I think most Iraqis would like to turn the clock back to before Blair and Bush invaded, occupied and destroyed their country. I don't have a scientific basis for saying that, and it's just my anecdotal common sense view that if Iraq had not been invaded and destroyed by the British and Americans principally, there would be no ISIS in Iraq. There would be no ISIS in Syria. Saddam Hussein was a tyrant. He was a more efficient tyrant, a more honest tyrant than Gaddafi. Iraq built something. That's why the West wanted to destroy it, because it had a science base, because it had a powerful military, because it was a threat to Saudi Arabia, a threat to Israel. That's why they wanted to destroy it.
But he destroyed two countries, Iran and Kuwait.
Kuwait does belong to Iraq. Kuwait was stolen from Iraq by British colonialism. Don't shake your head, because I know the man who was in the tent when the British resident, Sir Percy Cox, drew a map in the sand with a stick and said, this is Kuwait and this is Iraq. Kuwait was a wilayat of Iraq throughout the entirety of the Ottoman occupation of the area. It was the wrong thing to do to invade and occupy Kuwait, and I said so at the time. You can check it. It's on TV and it's in Parliament. But that doesn't invalidate the fact that every single Iraqi, left, right, center, Sunni, Shia, secular, every Iraqi believes that Kuwait was stolen from them by the British colonial system. And that's because it was. That's because it's true.